Hi, Plim Plim.
Hi, friends!
I see you brought cleaning supplies. But why? Oh, I see our friend Hoggie is covered in blue paint. Can we help him get cleaned up? Great! Which item should we clean Hoggie with? A pumpkin? A ball? Or with a sponge? Yes, with a sponge. Well done. Let's get cleaned up.
When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, no brush or brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun.
Excellent. Hoggie is super clean now. Right, Plim Plim?
That's right!
Oh, what is that noise? Oh, I see Acuarella is covered in pink paint. Can we help her get cleaned up? Great! Let's go.
When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, no brush or brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun.
Excellent! Acuarella is super clean now. Right, Plim Plim?
That's right!
Uh-oh. What was that noise? Oh no! Our friend Nesho is covered in green paint. Can we help him get cleaned up? Great! Let's do it.
When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, no brush or brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun.
Excellent! Nesho is super clean now. Right, Plim Plim?
That's right! Ooh!
When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, no brush or brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. When you're washing your hands, and you're washing your face, and you're brushing your teeth. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. Lots of soap and water, so you can smile much brighter. No brush or brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun. When you're washing your hands, lots of soap and water. And you're washing your face so you can smile much brighter. And you're brushing your teeth, no brush or brushing is fun. After washing is done, you'll be bright like the sun.
Wow! All of our friends are sparkly clean now. Thank you. Taking care of our hygiene can be lots of fun. Let's keep having fun on the next video.